Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to RB30 Status, chilling here with your boy Status, and today we're picking up my custom oil pan. So basically I had my RB25 oil pan extended and the Tomei trapdoor kit installed. So I had all the work done here at Full Circuit Motorsports. You know, you guys in the Orlando area, Central Florida area, you can check them out. So we already had all the oil issues taken care of as far as the block in the head. We have the head drain, we have the orifices. We have both the blank block off, and I believe like a 1.1 millimeter orifice in the back. We already had all the oil galleys in the head and the bottom end done at Mazworks, so all that has been polished and ported or whatever else they did to it. So that's the cool part. And now we're almost at the end of my oil battle. All right, it's actually more of a war, because not only did I do all that stuff, I got my sump extended here. So we're gonna take a look at this. All right, anyway, I'm gonna check out this sump. I'm super excited. Cool stuff going on. What's up, is our boy Gage.
What's going on, bros?
Where you been, bro?
I'm doing all right. I'm just trying to get my car ready right now.
Oh, shh. Secret, don't, not yet.
All right.
What's up, bro?
Oh man, what's going on, guys?
Chillin'.
That's it.
Anyway, both of these guys got secret builds that's gonna go on the channel later. However, Gage's build is going to be a pretty epic build. We're going to be doing that fairly soon, so stay tuned for that one.
I can't wait. This is my first time doing this, so also nervous.
He says his first time, but it's his third build.
Might as well just fucking
You saw this and you were like, what?
I had to talk about it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Not what they're gonna do it, or to build the motor and all that stuff.
Oh,
After we do the turbo stuff.
look at this. Thing weighs like a Honda. All right, but let's get to the point. So, bam! Bro, look at this here. Extended sump. We extended it to one side just because we didn't want to deal with the extra headache of doing a custom oil pickup. So you got about a quart extra here, right? About a quart or so?
Just about.
Yeah. And not only do we have that extended sump, see if we can see it from in here. Look at that. Those trap doors. And that trapdoor kit I bought from Right Hand Drive. They did not sponsor me, I paid it. I'm just telling you where I got it from. And it's just like a universal Tomei baffling kit or trapdoor kit. And we boxed it off, or he boxed it off. Gotta give him big thanks because he was here late last night. You know what I mean? Big shout out, Full Circuit Motorsports. Y'all better get something custom. Just to be honest, you can literally get something like this done here for a lot cheaper than you're gonna get anywhere else, because nobody sells extended sumps in the US for the most part. They sell little kits and all this stuff, but for a trapdoor kit and an extended sump, baffled. You don't even need, and the way it's done, you don't need to extend or have any custom pickup. There's six trapdoors in here? Three trapdoors in here. All right, so 3 trapdoors, fully boxed off. You know, he cut out the original, these original baffles, put everything in there, weld them back. As you can see, checks everything, make sure there's no leaks, completely submerged or, you know, tested with water and everything. Look at that. And a 1 quart. And all we need to do is we're gonna put the bong on, because this is the cold side. And obviously I didn't wanna run how I originally have my head drain is teed off to the oil return on the hot side. So we're running it this time straight to the cold side underneath the intake manifold. And right to this extended sump area. And look at that. So to be honest, you can, you know, as long as your RB, whatever sump you need extended is in decent condition, let us know the material that you need. just get in contact with him, man. He's a badass at any fabricating you need. So as you can see, look at that. All right, so I forgot we got to put the bong on, so we're just gonna do placement. Where exactly we're gonna put it?
Sticking right around here.
All right, that should work. Yeah, we're just gonna have it on the top, gravity fed, easiest way to move oil.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, he's gonna do all the work. See that shirt right there? Make sure you check him out, Full Circuit.
Let's go! Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away, better know that I don't and I'm damn. Cause you know I gotta win every day. She don't really wanna pop me, just don't think you wanna pop me. You know that I got a little cocky. You ain't never gonna stop me. Every time I come a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go and then I gotta get it, then I gotta flow and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing cause it doesn't matter cause I'm gonna murder everything and anything. I be doing it to death and now I move a little foul. A nigga better call a rap and everybody know my style. A nigga know that I'm the best when it come to doing this and I be banging on my chest and I'm banging in the east and I'm banging in the west and I kinda give you more and I will never get you less. You will hear it in the street and you can read it in the press. Do you really wanna know what's next? Let's go. See that we on it and we all up in the race and you know we gotta go now try to keep up with the pace and we struggling and hustling to set it and to get it and we always gotta never take it to another place. Gotta taste it and I gotta grab it and I gotta cut all through this traffic just to be at the top of the dome. But I know I gotta have it.
Hey, so we got the bong all welded on and everything good to go. Ha. Got a few other things I gotta take care of, so this vlog is not over. We're actually heading to Mazworks right now. Yes, heading to Mazworks. More than an update, I think. I think I might be, we'll see you at Mazworks. Okay, we're back here at Mazworks. So that was supposed to be the big little secret. I thought I was gonna pick my motor up today. However, I'm not picking it up. But I was able to, well, first off, they're gonna prime the block. They've already degreed the cams. Everything is completely reassembled by Mazworks. So all of you guys that were getting mad at me in my last assembly video talking about, oh, that's not how you do it and your freaking L19s are over torqued and why the fuck are you using a rubber mallet to hammer your head down? Whatever. So now everything here has been completely assembled. Everything's been done by Mazworks, full build. Like I said, degreed the cams. The only thing that wasn't done here at Mazworks is this badass extended sump, custom extended sump that we just had at Full Circuit Motorsports. Brought that over here. They're installing it, they're gonna clean it out. I gotta paint it later, but we're just gonna do some, like I said, priming the motor, making sure that there's oil compression, oh my God, that there's oil pressure and everything else is good with the motor before I pick it up and take it home. Yeah, wish me luck. Other than that, we are going to keep our heads up, hope for the best. Just keep a big lookout for Anthony's build with 3000 GT. That's going to be coming up. I'll probably be filming that later on this week, another update. That's an NAT 3000 GT Mitsubishi. That thing's pretty sick. And then our buddy Gage has a secret. He's actually behind the camera, so I don't know why I'm pointing over here. But our buddy Gage got his S14. I know you guys saw that beautiful red S14, but we're going to be doing something special for that. And I'm pretty sure a few other people have some secrets coming up. So thanks for tuning in to RWD Status, chilling here with your boy Status, and we'll give you some updates later. Peace.
Man, fuck these bitch ass